Hi, this is Mike Smith, President of AeroCom, the best way for your company to purchase telecommunications, internet, or cloud services. All right, so today I'm going to continue on my video series on the best business phone systems. Today I want to talk to you about texting. All right, so if your company isn't texting clients, chances are you're missing out. We all know that everything is moving in that direction, and a lot of people will answer a text when they won't answer the phone, and they won't return your call, and they won't return your email. So your managers, chances are dying to be able to text customers. But what's the biggest complaint people always say? Employees don't like to start mixing business with their cell phone. They don't like texting customers, and then customers texting them at all times of the day expecting immediate responses. But what if they could text from their work number, not their cell phone? Wouldn't that be cool? Well, a lot of hosted VoIP providers are starting to offer that. It's called SMS messaging, as you guys know. And if the hosted VoIP provider allows SMS, you can actually send and receive texts from your work number through your little portal that they give you. That, every service provider has like an app. So like I have a soft phone or a mobile app. So through your soft phone or mobile app, you can actually send and receive text messages to your customers or vendors or things like that. It's a really cool feature that I think is going to really take over phone systems here in the next couple of years. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, make sure you look for hosted VoIP providers who allow SMS messaging. And if you're wondering which providers do that, you can always go to our website, aerocominc.com, and in the search bar type in hosted VoIP. And in that section, you can actually search for providers who offer SMS messaging. If you have any questions, as always, shoot me an email or give me a call. I'm happy to talk. And if you need quotes on any of this stuff, as always, let us know. Well, I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you again next time.